Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Lou with I Critique. Hi guys, today I'm making tinola, a Filipino dish that I grew up on and has become one of my favorite foods to eat. So stick around and let me show you how I make it. The first thing I do is heat up some extra virgin olive oil, add the minced garlic, stir a little bit, add the onions, as well as the pieces of ginger root and the fish sauce that you can actually find in any Asian market, and then just brown them all. Then I'm adding the chicken in thigh pieces. You can certainly cut this up in smaller chunks if you prefer, and then just brown each side. Oh, and FYI, dark meat adds more flavor than white meat. Next, I'm adding some ground pepper and garlic powder. A couple of seconds later, I pour in some water, enough to cover the meat, add the squash, and then sprinkling it with a little bit more ground pepper and garlic powder for more flavor. Cover it and bring it to a boil. Now for saltiness, I'm only adding 1 chicken bouillon since I've already added the fish sauce earlier in the video. Lastly, I am adding the spinach leaves because they cook very fast and wilt easily. And at the last minute, I have decided to boil some eggs and add them into the finished product. And of course, boiled eggs are optional. And here we go. My tinola is cooked and ready to be eaten. So like I said in the beginning, this tinola dish is one of my favorite chicken soups to eat with my family all year round. So I truly recommend this dish. Very simple and easy to make. The flavor from the ginger root gives it a definite authentic taste with a bang, complemented with the subtleness of the chayotes or squash, makes it a great comfort food for anyone to enjoy in any occasion. You can eat this dish by itself, or what I do with my family is I cook some jasmine rice, white jasmine rice, and enjoy it that way. So guys, thank you again for watching my video, and I hope I was informative. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more notifications. As always, if you have any questions, please write them down below and I will try to answer accordingly. Until next time, God bless. Relax, relate, and release.